Hello students, I am Drishtisha. Today we will learn Chapter 5 Food, a topic of Grade 1 EVS. Food. We will start our chapter with one small exercise. Ranveer's mother says that burger is unhealthy food. Now he is trying to make a burger with healthy things in it. Which of the following should he put in it? Put a tick in the boxes given. Now we will help him to make a healthy burger. Let's start. First one is brown bun. Yes, it is very healthy, so put a tick on it. Second one, white bun. No, it is not at all healthy, so we will put a cross on it. Third, tomatoes. Yes, we should eat them, so we will put the tick mark. Fourth, cucumber. It is also healthy, so we will put a tick on it. Fifth, spinach. Yes, very healthy, so we will put a tick mark on it. And the last one, fried potatoes. Not at all healthy, so we will put a cross on it. So we help Ranveer to make him a healthy burger. This is Ranveer. He is thanking us for making him a healthy burger because food makes us healthy and strong. Why do we need food? We need food to live, to grow, and to get energy. Now, where do we get this food? We get most of our food from plants and animals. So, we will see this both the topics one by one. So, let's start. Food from plants. There are some plants such as wheat and rice which give us food grains. Cereals and pulses are also called food grains. There are some plants that also give us fruits such as mangoes, strawberries, chickus, and many more. There are some plants that give us vegetables such as brinjals, bitter gourds, peas, and many more. Fruits and vegetables make us healthy, so we should regularly eat fruits and vegetables. Did you know the way we cook our food can make food healthy or unhealthy? Boiling and steaming are healthy ways, while frying makes the food unhealthy. So we should always avoid fried food and we should consume boiled and steamed food in our daily life. Next topic, food from animals. We get meat from animals such as goat and sheep. We also eat fish and chicken. Now, goat's meat is known as mutton. We also get eggs and milk from animals. Hens and ducks give us eggs. Cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk. Milk is good for growing children. Ranveer drinks 2 to 3 glasses of milk every day because milk makes us stronger. So we should drink at least 1 or 2 glasses of milk every day. Now we can make many things from milk such as cheese, ice cream, butter. But if we consume these things daily, then it becomes unhealthy for us. They makes us fat. So we should consume these things only occasionally, not daily. Ranveer is a non-vegetarian. Now what is a non-vegetarian? If a person eats eggs, meat and fish, then that person is known as a non-vegetarian. This is Ritadi, a friend of Ranveer's. Now he says, my friend Ritadi does not eat eggs, meat and fish. That means he is a vegetarian. Vegetarians only eat plants and their parts. Next topic, meal times in a day. Now, what do you mean by meal? The food we eat at different times of a day is known as meal, such as breakfast, lunch, and dinner are 3 very important meals in a day. Let's see one by one. First one, breakfast. We eat breakfast every morning. We should always have a glass of milk in breakfast. Sometimes I have a glass of fresh fruit juice. Now, as you can see in the picture, a boy is eating cereal with milk and a glass of fruit juice. So, you should always have a healthy breakfast in the morning as it is an important meal of the day. The second one is lunch. Lunch is eaten in the afternoon, which includes chapatis, rice, dal, and vegetables, which makes a healthy lunch. So, you should always have a proper lunch in the afternoon. Third one, dinner. We eat dinner at night. My friend Raj has a big family. They always have dinner together. Everyone takes turns to cook. Raj and his sister help in laying the table. We should eat our meals at the right time. It helps us to become strong. Not having enough food at the proper time can make us ill. Another topic, good eating habits. Now I have given here some eating habits which I want you to follow it. Let's see one by one. Wash your hands before eating, which is very necessary. We should always wash our hands before eating anything. The second one, eat your meals at a regular time every day. Third, eat only fresh and clean food. Fourth, eat slowly. Chew your food well, because if unchewed food will go in our stomach, then it can make us ill. So we should eat very slowly. Fifth one, never eat uncovered food because it is very unhealthy. Sixth, do not waste food and water. Seventh, drink plenty of water. Eighth, avoid eating junk food. Now, what is junk food? Food such as chocolate, burger, pizza, french fries, cola are known as junk food. I know you like them and they taste very yummy, but if you will eat them daily, then they becomes unhealthy for us. So you should eat this food sometimes only, not regularly. Summary. We will have just a look of what we learned in this whole chapter. Food. Why do we need food? Because it helps us to grow, it gives us energy, and it protects us from illness. And from where do we get food? We get food from plants as well as from animals. And there are three main meals in a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Exercise. Answer the following questions. First one, name the things we can make from milk. We can make cheese, butter, and ice cream from milk. Second one, what is goat's meat known as? Goat's meat is known as mutton. Third, name two food grains. Wheat and rice are food grains. Fourth one, what do vegetarians eat? Vegetarians eat plants and their parts. Fifth one, which meal do we eat in the morning? We eat breakfast in the morning. With this, a chapter ends here. Thank you.